Alright, so this process shouldn't take too long. It's just removing the bumper, the headlights, of course. Let's open up this hood real quick. Hopefully this thing doesn't break. You remove this bumper real quick, get this shit going. Our bumper's removed. Oh nice, there's not a bolt right there. Okay, that makes sense. There's one, two, get another one, I believe. Right here, three, and I know there's one in there. Not bad. Man, I'm glad to get rid of these damn things. Imagine just dropped it and bam! It's gonna look so much better. I am planning on getting another bumper, another lip. This fucking sucks. So there it is, broken freaking housing. Ooh, shit. I did clear coat these once, but over the time, the dullness comes back. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this saran wrap plastic on here until I'm done installing it. Finally. How long I've been wanting to feel that click. This thing will just slide and just dance around it. So I'll take off the DRLs. These are, I believe, Nokia, some shit like that. It's the yellow ball. Oh shit. Probably should have bought some new ones, but they're fine. I was gonna do LEDs, but people say don't do LEDs on your running lights. So here's a bracket, 10mm. I suggest you put this 10mm bolt on first. Don't tighten it all the way. It gives you some wiggle room to install it on this side with the two brackets. So I totally spaced out on this part. I haven't removed this headline in a long time. This fucking sucks. Do yourself a favor and get yourself probably like maybe two long extensions and a half for this bolt. What an idiot. No. Oh no. Oh damn. No. You know what? That's gonna bug me. Let me fix this real quick. Oh shit. Off the whole headlight. Gee. There's the driver's side and fitment. It's perfect. Caca, not so much caca. Just can't wait till I get projectors done. Go gadget art. Son of a. Right, we learn from our mistakes. Let's make sure we pull it back down far enough. Stupid thing. Oh, damn. Hey, this looks like, what's his name from Futurama? The robot. Amazon, here we come. Shit. All these cells, LED. I don't want LED. Buddy, as if you still work. Oh, shit. You hear that? Damn it. not bad. It took me about 20 minutes or so because I forgot about the damn extension. Tahoe has aftermarket headlights as well. No issues at all. And this one's running LEDs. I'll show you at night. Really bright as shit. Really love the headlights. We love the bulbs. But I'm gonna stick with HID. These are brighter than shit. I was gonna do the LEDs, but you need resistors, and I was reading that the resistors get really hot and start melting shit, and I don't want to deal with that shit. All I need is some DRLs, and I wanted them in like a hyper yellow. Bud Light. Well, it's Sunday, January, don't know, after New Year's. Happy holidays, Happy New Year. Back to business. Just finished aiming the headlights.